Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thank you for joining me on another episode of Eat with JL, where I make you hungry. It's called Maliwan. They specialize in like Lao and Thai food. We about to go in here and just check out this place, man. I can't wait. I'm starving right now. Let's go. And I heard your papaya is banging. I heard your papaya bring all the boys to the yard. I heard your papaya is the reason why. I don't know.
There you go. Keep on going.
Let's go in the kitchen and check it out. Your papaya. All right. So, all right. Let me see. So I'm in the back here with the famous V, and oh snap. So we back here. She about to make her famous papaya. Let me see how you do this.
Okay.
Let me see how you do it.
All right. So we're gonna start off with the garlic, some kapik. That's already muddled a little bit in fish sauce. And I'm gonna put like 12 peppers because I see how you like your spices.
Oh man, you're trying to hurt me today.
So I'm gonna thumb that real quick. Maybe I should have never put that. Put a little pepper in there so this is still.
12 peppers, man. She's trying to hurt me today, you know? Where'd you learn this recipe?
This recipe is from my grandmother. Her Lao side.
Where'd you learn this recipe?
This recipe is from my grandmother. Her Lao side. So, you know I eat a lot of spice. Cambodian and Lao. Yeah, got pepper fine. Alright. So now I'm gonna add a little bit in. Then I'm gonna throw my sugar, like it's sweet and sour. And I'm gonna thumb that a little bit. Then I'll add my tomatoes. Okay.
How often do you make this at home?
At least 5 times a week. It's basically a meal to me every day. So. Alright, and then the last, I put the bidet last.
A whole lot of Lao going up here.
Look at that. Bidet step. It's gonna be good. Alright. You want to be the first person to taste this?
Yeah, we put it out there and we're gonna taste it. I can tell you right now, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. That smells amazing.
The aroma is...
I can already tell it's gonna hurt me, but in a good way. It's like love, you know, love hurts you, but in a good way. That looks amazing.
I want to taste it before I let all of you guys.
You gonna taste it first?
You can taste it.
I should taste it too.
Taste it too. There we go.
All right.
A little bit.
This is really 12 peppers, y'all. She be watching my video and she know how I get down. I actually laid off the peppers a little bit. No, it's fine. Let's do it. Straight out the bowl.
Maybe not yet.
That's perfect. The flavors is perfect. Papaya is nice and crunchy. That pepper is just right. You get the sweetness. You taste every flavor up in there. You know what I mean? That's spicy for you? That is delicious. I can eat that every day.
MSG is optional, but I didn't put it.
So they can come here and ask for MSG?
Yeah.
Everybody ask for some MSG.
Yep.
That's delicious. Fish sauce, we can put fish sauce in there, all that stuff.
Yep, fish sauce, kapik, shrimp paste.
So what's the difference between Khmer, Bok Lahong and Lao papaya sauce?
The Lao is like we ferment the the bidet. It's pre-cooked or whatever. The Khmer we probably do the same way, but we add the peanuts, we add the carrots. It's more
I didn't see no like the little blue crabs, right? right? The salted crabs.
Unfortunately at Maliwan we do not provide the crabs, but if at home you can have your own crabs.
I actually prefer without the crabs, so.
You do? Yeah. So this is perfect.
I'm not a crabby type of dude.
I mean, at home I do the long string beans and also the Thai eggplant. So, but this is what you will get at Maliwan. Alright. And if you want, you can request me and I will make it for you. But other than that, mom and dad will be.
Celebrity chef up in here. What is badak? That's
badak is fermented fish.
Yeah, that's so fermented fish. They call it badak. We call it bahok. So all the same thing, man.
It is the same thing.
So we just got done tasting the papaya salad. I'm about to put my attention to Yenny over here. She's actually making, what are you making? Man, that just tastes good already. I can taste it in my mouth. She said steak, duck, and sticky rice. There you go. There you go, Pops. The Thai curry. Good. Got something special right here, yo. I'm gonna tell you right now. I don't think I'm gonna ever lose weight, y'all. It ain't happening. My goal for this winter is just to maintain. I'm not gonna lose weight this winter. I repeat, it's not going down. I'm gonna have to get the flu or something like that, knock on wood. You know, brother, I can't get sick right now. You know, shout out to my baby boy JL. The goal this winter is to maintain. Look at this damn food right here. I'm loving the cup of water here. Look at this.
That's what I was saying.
Cheers, 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 cheers.
Cheers to Montreal.
I love it.
Cheers,
Cheers. Thank you so much, guys, for hosting us.
Thank you.
I don't know where to begin, honestly. I do not know where to begin. Well, since the duck is in front of me right now, I'm gonna try the duck first. And I'm gonna do the duck way. I'm gonna just drench it in the curry sauce.
Just like old times.
Y'all see that? Let's get the ASMR sound. Hold on.
Is that beef block?
The spoon's right there.
What's the duck?
I want to grab the fork.
Sticky rice? I'm going in with my hands.
Go ahead, bro.
That's the best way to get sticky
Oh my god, that curry duck though?
That's all more.
Curry duck though? Come on. That was the first thing you texted me too, so you gotta try the curry duck.
Yeah, I was like, damn, that curry duck looks good. I see a picture of it.
What's up?
Hot salad, bang. You did a good job.
It ain't too spicy, is it?
No,
You can
you
handle
can
it?
handle it. Mr. 5 peppers in a row after the two-time
I
challenge.
ain't gonna lie, that was pretty hot.
That's 12.
Yeah, I was looking at you. I was like, man,
It was hot.
he fronting for the camera. I know he don't eat peppers like that.
That was so hot.
Me and my wife looked at it. I'm like, oh man, that made my mouth hurt just watching that video.
My pride
Then
didn't
what?
want me to
What's
give in.
the
I know.
MAL?
That's what they call doing it for the gram for real. I was like, damn, 5 peppers?
Y'all gotta try this.
W-A-N. Philly.
If y'all gonna come here for the curry duck. That's the first thing I tasted right now. That's all I
Like
want.
that?
Yeah.
Already looks beautiful, y'all. Let's try this out. See, they make, you know what food is special when they make it already and they don't want to show you. This is one of them. This is already made. Just like her crack sauce for her mikadang noodles. What do you call it, drunken noodles? She, you know, she was prepping it and stuff, and she was like, hey, I got the crack sauce. I thought she was gonna make the crack sauce in front of me. Nah.
She still didn't tell me it was in this sauce for the steak either.
Well, that's a secret sauce too? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
A lot of secrets here.
Oh, am I supposed to do this? I'm gonna do this. Lap. And it's a side dish that you always have it. I like the pepper that's here. I'm gonna claim this pepper. In the summertime, do you guys grow like your own like peppers and stuff like that too? That's good. All right, cheers, cheers.
I swear, homegrown peppers are hotter than when you buy it at the store. You pick it from somebody's garden and you're got fire on it.
This lap is bomb
With
though.
my hands right now.
Who wants this next?
Let me get some.
2 for 2 so far. 2
Beef
for
lox,
2.
right?
Right now, y'all.
Slice
Right.
Drunken noodles. I'm about to try the drunken noodles, aka the La Fusion famous noodles, aka the noodles with the crack sauce, aka mikadang, made by Yenny. Like I said, this is the noodles that she started making it, and then she's whipped out that crack sauce out of nowhere. I'm like, are you gonna share the recipe? It's like, nope, just eat it.
Just eat it.
Look at this. It smells amazing already. She's on the same.
Taxi you? Or is that something different?
There's so many names for it.
Patio is just the thick soy sauce, thick sweet soy sauce. This is the drunken.
But it's the same noodles though, just different flavor.
It's the same family but different
Gotcha.
sauce.
Let's try this out, baby. That sauce is crack for sure. 3 for 3.
We didn't have that before.
How do I, you know, I just, every time I get so spicy, I just drink a whole bunch of milk.
No, you know what? Damn all this. I'm using my hands.
That's it, bro.
Because I want to show, look at this.
Where's J.O.'s? Because you're
That's it?
hot, right?
Yeah. I got you.
About to go in on this steak right here. This is like
I just can't forget.
bloody as hell. But that's how we repping it. Try the sauce out. What type of sauce is
You
it?
want the lettuce?
She's secret. She ain't gonna tell you. I already tried twice. Look, she's smiling over there.
Every time I try to make steak, it never comes out like that. I don't know what you guys do different.
What kind of steak is that?
It's probably good steak, first off, right?
That's all she wants to say too.
Yeah.
She ain't messing around.
She only buys good quality meats. 5 peppers.
Did you try the spicy noodle challenge? Did y'all do that?
I did.
Was it spicy?
Oh my god, I can't. I don't
The
know
2
how
times?
my kids be eating it every day.
It was
And they add
doable,
chili
but
pepper like you too.
eating 5 peppers afterwards, I don't know about that. You got that, bro.
Like, apparently everybody's affected by it too. It feels bigger.
It's the paint color. The dark orange was like on top of you.
Yenny asked me what was my favorite. I said all of them, but she's like, pick one. So the curry duck, bomb. You know what I mean? Like straight up Super Bowl ring right there. You know what I mean? Like I've never had anything like that before. That duck was nice and crispy. The sauce was coconutty, flavorish, spiced up and everything. You know what I mean? You just gotta try it out. And then what did I say? I said the drunken noodles was bomb. Papaya salad, the steak, and then the lap. The lap is more like, you should order that every time you come because that's actually like more of like a side thing that you eat with a scoop of rice, you know what I mean? But overall, I'm digging the vibes. I'm loving the vibes. Thai tea right here is delicious as well. Y'all should come check it out, man. It's on the corner of 6th and Morris. You can't miss it. 7th Street is a one-way street.
Wow.
Either way, y'all should just come check this out because I said so. And do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Oh, snap. I'm about to drink. The drink.
It's a BYOB, yeah.
And
Let them know.
And it's BYOB. I don't know, with the curry and the beer, that might be Riat or something like that, man. I don't know.
And the 12 peppers.
And the 12 peppers. Thank God. Thank God there's a bathroom right there. Anyways, y'all, make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you on the next episode. Cheers.
Cheers, my mom.